when you look at adaptogens, and this is really, really cool, and there's a lot of adaptogens, adaptogenic mushrooms. They're going to give the host what the host needs or what the environment of that host says. Now, they can help regulate immune system and inflammatory responses. But interesting, they have antiviral, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and medicinal mushrooms have been used for thousands of years. Look at reishi, cordyceps, coriolis, mitake, shiitake, tremella. I mean, there's so many out there that are just fantastic. And this is why, I mean, when you look back, let food be your medicine. If you look at food has your medicine, you're going to eat because that food is going to become you. So instead of just grabbing something out of the 7-Eleven, look at the stuff that is actually going to help your body metabolize and thrive. So when you're doing, when you're taking in or cooking at nighttime, utilizing mushrooms or garlic or onions or broccoli or kale, or I mean, all the different things that you can cook, look at the advantages that it has for your immune system. But adaptogens, mushrooms are out of this world. In fact, a lot of substances out there are going to have a different effect in different people, and that there's magic in food. It's so cool that we're here. I mean, you're literally designed for the world, and the world was designed for you.